If you want to charge your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, then we have two main methods. We have the wired method and the wireless method. The wired method, of course, requires you to have a USB cable. Of course, you can use the original cable that we have inside the box, and it is the recommended option. But in case you have to use a different one, like for example, in my case, I use USB-C to USB-A cable, we can also use it and it still works. You can still use it to charge your phone. Ideally, you also want to use a power adapter or charger, so something like this. In my case, this is not a Samsung charger, but of course the Samsung one is the recommended option once again. In case you already have a power adapter that is not made by Samsung, then you can still probably use it. Of course, we need to just simply plug it in, just like that, then we put it to the power socket. There we go. And then we connect to our phone, and it starts charging straight away. Of course, the phone does not have to be unfolded to be able to charge it. I can still close it and start charging without any problems whatsoever. And while charging via power adapter is, of course, the best way, the recommended option, the most convenient one, I assume, you can use pretty much anything that allows you to power via USB cable. So, in case you cannot use a power adapter, you can also use your computer or laptop, you can use your car, you can use power banks, so pretty much anything that can send power with the USB cable. And of course, we have the wireless method. So now in this case, for my convenience, I'm just gonna fold the phone, there we go, and we just have to place it on top of the wireless charger, and as you can see, it starts charging straight away. We don't have to enable anything. We can just simply place it on top of the wireless charger and it should work just fine. The phone also supports Qi2 wireless chargers as well, but it is Qi2 ready, which means that you have to actually get a magnetic case with Qi2 support, because unfortunately the phone does not come with built-in magnets. So still, you can of course use Qi2 wireless chargers if you do have one. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.